For today's recipe, here I've taken a pan and I'm going to add 2 glasses of water to it. Along with that, here I'm also going to add 100 grams of methi and 75 grams of palak or spinach. I'm now going to boil these two for a period of 4 minutes. After boiling these two for a period of 4 minutes, I'm then going to switch off the flame and let it cool down. Once this cools down, I'm then going to strain both the methi and palak and blend this into a paste and keep it aside. I'm then going to take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. And to that oil, here I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamoms, and 3 cloves. I'm then going to fry this for another 30 to 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, once the cumin seeds begin to crackle, I'm then going to add 1 medium-sized onion to the dish. After adding the onion, I'm then going to fry this for a period of 3 minutes until the time the onions become nice and soft. Once the onions become soft, I'm then going to add the spices, starting off with 3/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon of fennel powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of dry ginger. After adding all of these spices, I'm then going to fry this for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can then add the methi palak paste from earlier on to the dish. After adding the same, you can now mix this really well with the spices and the onions and let this cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can then add the water as per the consistency required. Here I've added 3/4 glass of water. After adding the water, you can now mix this really well with the rest of the dish and cover it with a lid and let it cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you can then add 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala powder and the 200 grams of the blocks of the paneer. After adding the blocks of the paneer, I'm then going to mix the paneer with the gravy until all the pieces of the paneer are coated with the gravy. After that, I'm then going to add the salt as per taste and 2 teaspoons of sugar. After adding these ingredients, I'm then going to mix this and let this cook for another 4 minutes while covering it with a lid. After 4 minutes, you can then add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream to it. After doing so, you can cook this for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can then switch off the flame and add a little kasuri methi here, which is optional, and after that, your dish is ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.